Okay, so I'm going to open up the outer bag. Okay, now I have the eye inside this sealed bag. Okay, and I was given scissors, so I'm going to cut open the bag. And it is vacuum sealed, so it can be a little difficult to get it open, especially when wearing gloves. So I'm going to need to cut down a little further, closer to the eyeball. There we go. All right, cut this. There we go. And now I have the eye. Okay, so there is a lot of extra tissue around the eye, fat, okay, and the eyeball here that you can see. So in our next step, we're going to deal with the extra tissue.